How to fix ultra-wide camera missing on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. If you're also not getting the ultra-wide camera option on your Snapchat, in this video I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can fix it. The first thing that you can do is update your app of Snapchat. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and check if there are any new updates. Search for Snapchat, and if there is an update, you can tap on update and update the app. Now the ultra wide feature is a new feature, so it might not be available to everyone all at once. So you might need to wait out a couple of days or even a couple of weeks before you see this feature on your Snapchat. Even if the person living in your location may have the feature and you might not. So you just need to wait out and you cannot do anything else about it. So that was a quick video on how to fix ultra-wide camera missing on Snapchat. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more.